Hello guys! For today's video is magluluto tayo ng pork ribs apretada. Stay tuned to this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you! Pork ribs apretada. Ito lang po yung kailangan mong ihanda. Pork ribs or belly or pork, it's okay. For me, yes, pork ribs is masarap. Pag mainit na yung kawa, lagay mo lang yung bawang, sibuyas, and the main ingredients is the pork ribs. After that, i-mix mo lang ng maayos. I-mix sa sinabi pa ng iba, i-mekos mo na yan insan. So just mix it. After that, lagay mo na yung tomato sauce, mix well again. Mix lang until ma-mix mo lahat yung sauce sa pork ribs. Then lagay ng tubig. Lagyan mo siya ng tubig para lalambot yung ribs natin. Mix mo lang ng maigi, then leave it for 3 minutes. Pakuluan mo lang yan ng 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, lagyan mo na ng pork cubes. Yung liver natin, lagay mo yung pork liver natin. Isa din yan sa importante sa ating apretada. After, green beans, patatas, carrots, and you need to mix well all of them. Mix lang. I-mekos mo na yan. After ma-mix mo lahat, lagyan mo ng durog na paminta. Magbibigay ito ng panlasa ng ating niluluto or sa ating apretada. And then, leave mo yan. Lagyan mo ng magic, pampalasa. Nagbibigay sarap sa lahat ng ulam. Magic sarap. After that, boil it for 5 minutes. Kailangan 5 minutes para lalambot yung ribs natin. After 5 minutes, it's ready to serve your pork ribs apretada.